Hi. Before we start with the stress patterns, let's talk about syllables. A syllable is a unit of sound. There is a vowel sound in every syllable. Let's look at examples. One-syllable words: dog, cat, cake. As you can see, there is only one vowel sound, not letter, sound, for each word. In dog, in cat, and in cake. Two-syllable words: mother, happy, alone. As you can see, there are two vowel sounds, not letters, sounds, for each word. And, in mother, and, in happy, and, in alone. Three-syllable words: tomato, elephant, coconut. As you can see, there are three vowel sounds, not letters, sounds, for each word. And, in, tomato, and, in, elephant, and, in, coconut. There you go. This lesson is necessary for the next part, stress patterns. Proceed to the next video.